Welcome to this edition of What's New with CBT Nuggets. We've got a lot of new content, so let's check it out. First up, David Smith brings us Cisco CCNP Enterprise designing and implementing cloud connectivity training. While cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud present the move to the cloud as seamless, integrating complex enterprise networks with cloud platforms can be challenging. This course helps you navigate those complexities by teaching architectural models, IPsec cloud connectivity, SD-WAN configurations, and cloud network operations. This course prepares you for the Cisco CCNP Enterprise Concentration Exam and can be invaluable for admins expecting to handle major cloud migration or implementation projects soon. Next, it's Certified Entry-Level Data Analyst with Python training with Sean Wassell. This course prepares you to take the PCED exam and provides a solid foundation, not just in data analysis concepts, but specifically in Python, one of the most versatile and popular programming languages in the industry. Python is a simple and readable programming language that supports a huge ecosystem of libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Python is also open source, which means it gets improved rapidly and frequently. If you do any sort of work in data manipulation, visualization, or statistical analysis, the PCED is worth it. And finally, it's Agile Project Management Training with Simona Millam. This training covers how to combine Agile methodologies with conventional project management techniques. Agile emphasizes collaboration, customer feedback, and small, rapid improvements, rather than rigid, upfront planning. It's widely used across the tech industry, especially for software development and marketing, helping teams adapt quickly to changes and deliver value early on. With this course, you'll learn adaptive planning, how to engage stakeholders and incorporate feedback, how to recognize and understand different agile approaches, including Scrum, Lean, Kanban, and more. This course is perfect for project managers looking to deliver on modern projects while incorporating Agile into traditional business environments.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe here to get the latest from CBT Nuggets. Oh, and also, if you're new to IT or are interested in an IT career, visit cbtnuggets.com and sign up for a free trial.